A woman was taking a bath when she suddenly noticed something shocking, a hidden camera installed inside the shower right above her head. Terrified, she immediately called her lover's cousin. But the moment she saw his face, her expression changed. She quickly ran to the other bathroom to check, and there too she found a hidden camera in the shower. She was now certain that the landlord had installed them. She wanted to call the police immediately, but then she remembered that last night, she and her lover had spent some private moments in that very bathroom. If the police came, the recorded video would definitely end up in front of the cousin and his wife. Their secret relationship would be exposed. The woman felt restless, but it was too late to undo anything. Soon, the cousin and his wife returned to the villa after buying things from the market. They pretended everything was normal and decided they would leave the next morning. But that same night, the landlord himself arrived at the door. The lover's wife had noticed that the jacuzzi wasn't working and had called the landlord for repairs. While repairing the jacuzzi, the landlord was suddenly stopped by the woman. Confused, she took him to the bathroom. Pointing her phone at the hidden camera in the shower, she demanded that he hand over last night's video immediately. The landlord was shocked to see the camera. He thought the woman was accusing him without reason, claiming she was troubling him. He pulled out his phone and prepared to call the police. Panicking, the woman tried to snatch his phone, insisting that she didn't mean it that way. Her lover saw this from outside and misunderstood the situation. He rushed in and pushed the landlord toward the jacuzzi. Hearing the commotion, the cousin and his wife came inside and pulled the lover away. When the wife kept questioning what was happening, the woman accused the landlord of installing the cameras. The wife decided she would call the police, but her husband feared the truth getting exposed and tried to stop her. As the wife was about to dial the number, her husband suddenly intervened. At that moment, they noticed the landlord lying inside the jacuzzi, not moving well. This frightened everyone. The cousin nervously told the landlord not to be weak while also calling for help. While panic spread, the husband came up with a dark idea. He said the area was deserted and the weather harsh. They could pretend they had never seen the landlord. He removed the camera storage device and suggested hiding everything. The wife refused, but when she saw the others determined to proceed, she reluctantly walked away to her room. Soon, the men lifted the landlord's body out of the jacuzzi. After cleaning the area, the three took the body to the edge of a rocky area and left it there. When they returned to the villa, they saw car headlights at the gate. They rushed over and found the wife about to drive away alone. They asked her to stop, but she ignored all of them and drove off quickly. The cousin worried that she was going to call the police, but the husband trusted his wife completely and told him not to overthink. He said finding the camera storage disc was their biggest priority, but he had no idea that wasn't why his wife had left. Earlier, when they were disposing of the landlord's body, the wife was alone in the house and heard the sound of running water upstairs. She went to check and found the sound coming from the television. It was playing a video of the woman and her lover's private moments in the bathroom from the previous night. Shocked and speechless, she didn't know how to face anyone, so she took the car and drove away. Meanwhile, the husband and the others continued searching for the hidden camera storage device inside the villa. Since the camera was wireless with a short range, they were sure the disc had to be somewhere inside. While the husband was checking the bedroom, he suddenly received a message. It was a cry for help from his wife. A few minutes earlier, her car had suddenly malfunctioned and stopped near a tree. When she stepped out to check, she saw roadblocks placed deliberately. Realizing the danger, she quickly returned to the car and sent the message to her husband. She didn't notice that a dark figure was silently approaching her from behind the vehicle. The husband immediately rushed to the location. Upon reaching, he found the car with its window smashed. His wife was nowhere to be seen. While he frantically looked around, a mysterious man appeared and attacked him.